Alright, well, we have our blower working, and we got our AC set up here with your motor, your compressor, and we got a tensioner pulley to keep the belt tight, and we also have our condenser. So that's running over here to the evaporator, which none of this has refrigerant in it yet. The evaporator is housed in this housing, and it's in there. So we're moving a lot of air, and since this will be our cold temperature, we're going to have, I ran this back over here so that we're pulling ambient air in, so it's got quite a bit of suction to it. So ready to charge the system, put all the new seals in, and make sure the 5/4 motor works to drive the compressor.